I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove a third-party app from having access to your Google Drive account. And to be clear, you can only remove third-party app access to your Google Drive account through the Google Drive website and not through the Google Drive mobile app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to drive.google.com, and then sign in to your Google Drive account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Google Drive homepage. And again, you can only remove third-party app access to your Google Drive account through the Google Drive website and not through the Google Drive mobile app. Step 2. Click the Settings gear icon on this screen to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. The Google Drive settings screen opens. Step 3. Click Manage Apps. You'll see a list of all of the third-party apps that are connected and have access to your Google Drive account. Most of these will be Google apps that you won't be able to disconnect. Step 4. Find the specific app that you want to disconnect so that it no longer has access to your Google Drive account. Click Options associated with that app and then click Disconnect from Drive in the menu that opens. A window opens giving you the option to disconnect this third-party app from your Google Drive account. Step 5. Make sure the box is selected where you elect to also delete any hidden app data created by this app and then click Disconnect. That third-party app will be fully disconnected and removed from having any access to your Google Drive account immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.